If your shop is unheated, your tools might get rusty, but that's super easy to prevent.
Rag in a can, 3-in-1 oil, and at the end of the day,
just give your tools a quick wipe down. Thank you, Paul Sellers. You can also prevent rust with proper storage. Don't keep your tools under the bench because they're gonna get dusty, and dust makes tools rust faster. Instead, keep your tools in a chest. Even a simple chest like this one is surprisingly airtight, and that really cuts down on rust. And if you're not ready to build a tool chest yet, get one of these big plastic tubs. This one cost me $16, and for tool storage, this is way better than nothing.